guys, it's time for a new board, baby. Yeah! What's up, guys? So today we'll be showing you how to make custom skate grip. I kind of made this up. All you're gonna need is a printer with paper and then like the ink of whatever you want to print out. The new deck clear grip right here. And then you're also gonna want super glue so you can glue down the pieces of papers that you print out onto the deck. Okay. Alright, so first step you're gonna want to do is find the graphic you want. I just typed in YLV rainbow skate grip tape. I found this one, which is a sequence I want. What you're gonna want to do is right click it, copy image. Now you're gonna want to go to a Word document and open up Pages. For some reason on mine right now it has two sides, but I'm just gonna use this left side so I can align it perfectly. And then what you're gonna want to do is right click and then paste. I don't know why I brought it there. Okay, bring it back. Right click it, wrap text behind text is what you want to click, and then right click it again, and you want to press this crop button right there. Yeah, the crop button, you're going to want to click that. You can take these black markers and just cut out the exact shape of this. There we go. And we have just this now. Now what I'm going to do is bring it down to one side like this. Oops. And then I'm going to pull this big until it aligns the full width of this paper. So I just need to bring it down a little bit. Let's see. And open it a little bit more. Just pull it down. What you're going to want to do is line it to one side of the edge and then just pull it until it meets this side. And there. Now we have one sheet done. And so what you're going to want to do is bring it all the way to the top. There we go. Okay, perfect. So now we have that. Now we're going to copy this, bring it down here, paste it again. I'm going to do the same thing. But this time what we're going to be doing is taking the next one and bringing it up so we can align the colors with the previous one. So it's just a straight line all the way through. You see that? Next page, right click, paste it, and bring it up until we meet this color right here, and then we got to do one last one. Okay, so this last one you're actually not going to be able to meet, so what you're actually going to want to do is just leave it as is and then print it out, and then you'll just cut it with a X-Acto knife. You'll just cut it to align it, and then let's see, I'm going to print it now. Print, let's see, print, and just check that these papers align. And then as you can see here, there's like a little gap where there's no paint. So what we're going to do is take an X-Acto knife or a blade and we're going to cut those to match them evenly. Once you aligned all the papers, it's kind of what it's going to look like. So Nicholas chose this Gucci design. Here's what it looks like. My mom ordered some blue light glasses for when we're on the computer screen. But look at this thing. Alright, tell me what looks better. Clear or black? Bro, honestly clear. I'm not even joking. Haha! We are now on our way to the dollar store to pick up super glue. What you got? Yeah! Okay, wait, dude, where's the glue?
I don't know.
Babies and infants. It would definitely be here. So we'll get like 4 packs of these. Alright, so it turns out you can't buy super glue until you're 18, and I'm 17. But then this lady behind us offered to buy it for us, which was very nice of her.
Yeah.
Thanks to that lady. Shout out to her, she's the best ever. Yeah, so we're kind of riding home, and I just look across the street, it's my parents. Yeah, getting that work. Alright, so we finally made it back. Okay, so here, if you can see, the lines kind of cut off on the paper. So what you're going to do is fold it. You can cut it easier with these kinds of blades. You just take this, and then you're going to cut these. I folded it on the inside right here, if you can see that.
So I figured out if you fold it and fold it the other way, flick it, and then cut it, it rips really easily.
Oh, I actually taped it on the back so when I pull the tape off it doesn't mess up the graphics. But here we go, this is the full thing right here. And there we go, I glued down this. Now the thing is it's gonna lift, so you're gonna wanna have to reinforce it. Now that we have both sheets completely glued down, right here as you can see, you're gonna wanna wait 24 hours. As you can see, this is clear grip, right? So you can see right through it. So when you put it on, you'll just see the graphics. Take your clear grip, remove it, and you're going to want to go down on your deck, and then you're going to start from the middle and push down and move outwards. Take this, put it down on top of it so you don't hurt your hand, and just really flatten it out. Now the grip tape is on the board. The design comes through it pretty cleanly. As you can see, take a screwdriver, line the edges like this, work your way around. Feed your blade through the bottom like this, cut it, and start going at it at an angle, edge of the... Now you gotta do your corrections, obviously. And then you're gonna wanna take your corner strips, put them together like this, so you have a little corner like that. You're gonna wanna go around the edge and file it down to make it smooth. And that's how you make a skate deck. Louis Vuitton skate deck. Boom, clean. Then we'll be doing Nicholas's tomorrow, but we're letting his dry for 24 hours. But this is what he's got. This one's gonna be sick for sure.